Okay, so we are coming in the fourth planet. Sorry for the interruption. Actually, the fourth planet we are going to discuss is Mercury. Mercury, and do subscribe on my channel and press the bell icon for latest update, because I will be giving regular information as the class proceeds. You will be getting more and more information on planets and everything which is related to Vedic astrology. So I just request you, all of you, to subscribe to my channel and take all the advantage of the information of the Vedic astrology. And one more thing which I am going to announce is, you can write your comments in the comment section below, and always ask for any questions which you think like I should be discussing it, and in the next video which I make, I'll definitely put up that topic too. So you are free to ask one question to me regarding astrology. Regarding astrology, if you want to ask me any question regarding the horoscope, or regarding casting a chart, or regarding the transit, or anything, so you can just ask me in the comment section, and I'll definitely try to help you out and try to give the answer in the next video as soon as I get the question. So please do write anything which you need, that you think that I need to discuss. So I'll definitely take that in the next video. So coming back to Mercury, Mercury is the prince, is the prince in the solar system, Indian Indian solar system, actually, with the Vedic concept. What does it say? It gives you, it gives ability to speak or speech, anything, any speech, whether written or oral or verbal, anything, any speaking ability, anything which represents communication. Communication is represented by Mercury. Now Mercury is the prince, as we know, so he is analytical, experimental, mental, and very good diplomat. Matt. One more thing, I'll definitely tell you what is the Karka of Mercury. Karka of Mercury is memory, memory, mathematical ability, calculations, ticks and calculations are Karkas of Mercury. Now, Mercury is, it's a Vaishya, by caste, and is a neutral or important, important, important. That means does not have the ability to produce any children or something like that. So it is important. This is a very important characteristics of Mercury, which we have to understand. He is very good looking guy, but he is important. That is the main thing. Mercury is as beautiful as a prince, but the thing is, he is important, he is neutral, so he cannot perform anything. So when relationship matters come, Mercury is the most damaging planet if it is in the seventh house, because it goes in the Maran Karak Sthan. We will discuss that Maran Karan Sthan, MKS, and everything in the next proceeding chapters. But for today, but for now, you understand that Mercury does not have the ability to produce or reproduce. This is Mercury is important. And one more thing which I'll tell you, Mercury also represents your siblings which are female. So there is one difference is Mars is also showing you co-bonds, but it was more of a male co-bonds like brothers, but in siblings it are females like sisters. Okay, so these are the karkas of Mercury which we need to study, and this is the characteristics of Mercury. Okay, so now we are moving to the fifth planet, that is Jupiter. Now Jupiter is a royal teacher, the royal teacher, a guru, a guru. He's he is a, he's a male having Brahmin caste and a Sattvic planet. Okay, one more thing which I need to clarify is Mercury is a Rajasic planet. It's not Sattvic planet, but it's a Rajasic planet. So I included this here. Okay. Now, royal teacher, a guru, he is a male Brahmin caste and Sattvic planet. It is the Karak, Karka for male child, progeny, wisdom, knowledge, knowledge, and moreover, money and cash, because it's it is also a dhan karak, dhan karka. Now dhan means wealth. This is very important. Jupiter is the most blessed planet and the most auspicious one, because Jupiter is having so many departments and so many karkatvas with him that if alone Jupiter is very strong, it is so much powerful that he can eliminate each and every bad yogas of the chart, because alone Jupiter is so heavy that it can just make a normal person into a king, because by his wisdom, by his the karakatvas for the wealth, by the karakatva of male progeny, of the significator of child, the significator of knowledge, significator of religion, and everything. It is the most benefic planet. So Jupiter is, if it is in Kendra, especially in the first house, fourth house, seventh house, or 10th house, in 10th house it does not do so much good, but yes, in the first house of the ascendant, it's absolutely very fine, and it is capable of destroying all the bad yogas alone. So Jupiter. So now Jupiter, after Jupiter, we are going to look at number 6, and number 6 becomes Venus. Now, what is Venus? Venus is the luxury, the passion for love, the beauty, the karka of consuming, the materialistic happiness. This is very important. it depends upon the Venus. A person may have too much of the materialistic thing, but if he is unable to consume it, if he is unable to enjoy, that means always remember the Venus is not in a good position. So this is one point which we have to take into consideration, that Venus represent the ability to consume or to enjoy the materialistic happiness. It is Rajasic, Rajasic planet. It is the main significator cater or karak of spouse, be it male or female. The first significator is seen from Venus, but in case of female, we will also see from Mars and Jupiter, but especially from Jupiter. In a female's chart, the spouse becomes Jupiter. In some astrological uh, text, it is also seen as Mars, but Jupiter is more taken as a husband for a female chart. And Venus is a fixed karka of marriage and spouse in everybody's chart, but especially it is as the Venus is considered as a female planet, so it is considered the karka of spouse in a man's chart. Means Venus can also be seen as a wife, especially in a man's chart. It is a significator of happiness, it is a significator of all the luxurious food and your luxurious cars, vehicles, and the happiness and the clothes, especially clothes, perfumes, perfumes, arts, and anything which is beauty or in beauty industry, like cosmetics, cosmetics, any product which is used in makeup. Okay, so this was the significator of Venus. Now the next three planets are the most dreaded, that is called the trio Rakesh. Rakesh is Rahu, Ketu, and Saturn, Sunny. So we are going to cover that in the next part of the video. So I will be going to upload the video very soon. So that will be the part 3 of the video. So feel free to comment and feel free to ask any question regarding the Indian or Vedic astrology. I will definitely try to help you out. And do subscribe for my channel. Thank you.